guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, hey, hi, hello, my name is Lauren. In today's video, I'm sharing with you guys some must-know tips if you want to rank high in the Etsy algorithm. So make sure you have a notebook and a pen or something to write these down because you're gonna want to keep these notes around. So without further ado, let's go ahead and jump on into it. Tip number 1. SEO is the most and one of the best ways to rank high in the Etsy algorithm. SEO stands for search engine optimization. It is essentially how people find your items and what they're searching for when they go to Etsy.com. So when they head to Etsy, they're going to the little search bar at the top of the screen and they're going to type in whatever it is that they're looking for. That is how you can use and build your SEO for your listings, because you want to keep in mind what words or keywords are people using to describe the item they're looking for. So when you are listing an item on your shop, you don't want to just describe it as mom tea, because that's probably not going to be a really good search keyword, especially if you're a small shop. But including keywords like boho, sunflower, yellow, graphic, mom, t-shirt, those keywords are going to help your item be found a lot easier than if you're just using something like mom graphic tee, because you're going to be more specific, and then when someone is actually searching for that specific item, yours is going to pop up high and it's just going to work a lot better. I have an entire video all about using SEO, how to use it, how to be good at it, where to find keywords and things of that sort. So I'm going to link that video up here for you guys as well as down below. It's going to be one of your best resources to go to in order to understand SEO better and just really get a good idea of how to have good SEO for your shop. Plus I go into a lot more detail there, so if it's still not making sense and you're confused, that video is going to be a must watch. The second way you're going to rank higher in Etsy search is if you can increase your number of sales. So there are a ton of ways in which you can get more sales, and I actually have a whole video on it if you want to go and check it out. Again, up there and down below, lots of resources in this video. But increasing your sales is actually going to allow you to rank higher in the search. So if you can bring those sales from outside sources like social media, like Pinterest, my favorite, then you're going to be able to start getting those sales, and Etsy's going to say, this is a good item, people keep buying it, we need to rank it higher. So driving outside sales is a great way to do this, but again, having good SEO will also allow you to increase your sales. My third way to rank high in the Etsy search algorithm is to actually niche down your items or your shop. So this could be offering an item that is in high demand but low supply. This is just a very basic like economic situation, but when there is a high demand for an item and not a lot of people are selling it, that's going to be your sweet spot for where you should be creating your items. You can do this for any niche, whether it's like wood making, leather making, accessories and jewelry, shirts, whatever it is that you're selling. You can always find a niche within your niche, if that makes sense. So if I'm a t-shirt shop seller, I might look for a niche to make my shirts around or themed in a certain topic that maybe isn't as popular as like mom t-shirts. Those are pretty popular on Etsy. But if I sold t-shirts that were specific to a certain show or singer or hobby, then I might be able to stand out a lot better, which is going to allow me to rank higher in the search. The fourth way to help you rank higher in the Etsy search is by using outside sources to drive your traffic. Even if people are not actually buying from your shop, if they are still visiting and favoriting your items and your shops, those are also going to help you increase your chances of ranking higher. So no, not everyone actually has to buy from you, which is why driving outside traffic is going to be essential. You can do this by making content on Instagram, TikTok, Pinterest, Facebook, YouTube, whatever social platforms you're comfortable with. I highly suggest picking 2 to start with, just because it's going to be a lot easier, especially if you're doubling this with a full-time job or other full-time jobs or hobbies or whatever you might be doing with your free time, because you don't want to get overwhelmed. My personal favorites and ones that I think are really great at driving traffic fast that don't take a lot of time to grow your following are going to be TikTok and Pinterest, both of which I have an entire video on, so I will link them also down below. But TikTok has such a low barrier of entry for going viral right now that you have a very high potential of getting a lot of views on your website and your business. Pinterest, on the other hand, is one of the easiest ways to start driving outside traffic. I actually sell a mini Pinterest for Etsy course that I'm gonna link down below for you guys, and up here if it'll let me. I don't know if it will, I don't think so, but it's gonna be linked down below. That mini course is only $40, and with it, I tell you all about how to set up Pinterest, how to get started on Pinterest as an Etsy shop owner, how to set up your boards, how to pin items, as well as my secret sauce, which is using Pinterest group boards. This is like a must do and such an easy way to start driving outside traffic. I have literally been selling this course and this resource in specific over my shop for several months now, and here's just a bunch of reviews on what people have said about it and how it's helped their business and their Etsy shop. So I will link that course down below. It does include the course where it shows you step-by-step tutorials, the videos, me walking you through it all, and it does include that group board resource, which is definitely something you're gonna wanna have. Also, I'm sorry my chest is now red because I just scratched it. Sensitive skin. So my last resource and way in which I think you could rank higher in the Etsy algorithm is by using ads, or paying for ads, I will say. This is actually designed to show your item higher in the search and hopefully causing more people to buy from you, or at least drive traffic to your shop. Now in the past, I haven't had the best experience with Etsy ads, so I kind of tend to just stray away from them because I spend a lot of my time focusing on driving my own traffic through my social media platforms, but it is still an option and one that I think a lot of people have had success with. It's just a matter of whether or not you are ready to invest a little bit more money up front in order to help your items sell. Question of the day for you guys. I need to know, what is your biggest struggle with Etsy right now? What is something you are needing help with and that you would love to see a video on? I want to know down below in the comments. Also, don't forget to link your Etsy shop down below because we love supporting each other over here on my channel. So leave it down below so we can all go and check it out. Right here on the screen for you guys, I'm going to actually put my video all about using Pinterest to drive traffic and sales to your Etsy shop. This is going to be a must watch if you want to learn a little bit more about Pinterest and kind of that little mini course I was talking about as well. I'm also going to put my entire Etsy playlist over here so that you guys can go and binge watch my content. I have so many videos on Etsy and small business tips that will help you grow a successful shop. I'm going to put my subscribe button down here so you can stick around for more videos. I upload every Wednesday at 1 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And lastly, I'm going to link my Pinterest for Etsy mini course down below right here for you guys so that you can go and check it out so that you guys can get started on Pinterest today. And without further ado, guys, that brings us to the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you all in my next one. Bye, guys.